Hello, my name is Shashank. Let's start LST CLAT 26 quantitative aptitude, and we are going to solve a set. So basically, what the set says, there are a lot of theory that is written. In general, you are going to see a lot of theory in it. Okay, so what we can see that during the year 2021, what is happening in 2021? There are three colleges A, B, and C. Uh, okay, and what does it say in A, B, and C? Okay, it says that there were new admissions, and the number of new admissions was 48,000. Okay, fair enough. So number of admissions were 48,000. Uh, the ratio of A, B, and C was in the ratio of 9 is to 7 is to 8. Okay. So 9 plus 7 plus 8 is 24. So A was 9 by 24 of 48,000. So total number of admissions in A was 18,000. Total number of admissions in B, sorry, it should be 18,000. That is 14,000. And total number of admissions in C was going to be 16,000. And that's what that is given to us. Okay. All the students require laptop for their studies at the college, and those who do not have laptops can purchase a new one from the college itself. Fair enough. So basically, students are bifurcated in two ways. That uh, one who already have the laptop. Second, the people who can buy the laptop from college. Okay, there are three laptop companies X, Y, and Z have tied up with these colleges to provide laptops at a subsidized rate. Okay, a total of 42,000 laptops were sold. Okay, so out of 48,000, 42,000 people bought the laptops and 6,000 already had the laptops. Okay, one third of the laptops were sold at college C. Okay, so one third of 42,000 is 14,000 were sold to C. So in C, there were 16,000 students, and out of 16,000, 14,000 were bought. It means 2,000 people did not buy any laptop. Company Y sold a total of 14,000 laptops. Okay, and a lot of other conditions are given. Now let's see. I have already drawn a table over here. So let's try to solve this and put all the values in the table, and we'll understand what is the question. So overall, yeah, I'm going to get 18,000 people over here. Then in college B, it is 14,000. In college C, it is 16,000. That is the total number of students. Okay. Total number of laptops that are sold are 42,000. That's what that is given to us. Okay. Now, uh, one third of the laptops were sold at college C. So one third of 42,000 is going to be 14,000 laptops were sold at college C. Okay. Company Y sold 14,000 laptops such that the number of laptops sold at A and B are equal. Okay. Company Y sold total of 14,000 laptops. X and Y are A and B are equal. Okay, so X and X, that is what that is given to us. Fair enough. Now let's read the next line. The ratio of number of laptops sold at college C by X and Y and Z are in the ratio of 5 is to 6 is to 3. Okay. So at college C, the laptops sold by X, Y, and Z are in the ratio of 5 is to 6 is to 3. So basically, X sold 5 plus 6 is 11 plus 3, 14. So X sold 5 by 14 of 14,000 in C, right? So this is 14,000. So it is going to be 5,000 itself. It is going to be 6,000. And I can say it is going to be 3,000. Okay. Now, out of 14,000, company wise sold a total of 14,000 laptops. Out of that, it sold 6,000 in C. So, what is the remaining value? That is 8,000. And it sold equal number of in A and B. So, both values are going to be 4,000 and 4,000. Okay. So, this is what we have got so far. Okay. the number of laptops sold by X at college B was 60% of the total number of laptops sold by X in college C. In college C, X sold 5,000. In college B, it sold 60% of C. So what is 60% of 5,000? That comes out to be 3,000, right? So this is 3,000. Okay. Okay. Now what we are going to get? Whereas the number of laptops sold by X at a college A was 40% more than that it sold at C. Okay. Okay. So this is 5,000, this is 3,000, and this value is 40%, 40% more than C. So C is 5,000, 40% of 5,000 is 2,000. So this value comes out to be 7,000. So 7,000, 3,000, 10,000, 10,000 plus 5,000 is 15,000. So this comes out to be 15,000. This comes out to be 14,000. So this comes out to be 13,000. Now what do I need? So 1, 2, 3, 4 values are missing. If I get even one value, my table is completed. And that's what I'm going to do. Okay. Company X sold 40% more laptops at college A than company Z. So at company Z, sold Z laptops in college A. Uh, okay. So company Z sold Z laptops in college A. Then company X sold 40% more than Z. Okay. So Z sold Z. So X sold Z plus 40% of Z, and that is equal to 7,000. Right. So from here, what I'm going to get? I'm going to get 1.4 Z, and that is equal to 7,000. So Z comes out to be 5,000. So this is 5,000. 5,000 plus 3,000 is 8,000. So this comes out to be 5,000. Now this is going to be 11, 5, 16,000, and it is going to be 12,000. And this is what we got so far. We got our table filled. Is there any value that's missing in the table? No. Have we got all the values? Yes. Now can we approach the question? Yes. Now let's look at the questions. If screen guard and an antivirus pack having a combined cost of 12,500 and was sold along 75% of the laptops sold by Z in college B. Okay. In college B, company Z is selling 5,000 laptops. Okay. So instead of total number of laptops sold by company Z in college B, I'm going to replace this by 5,000 because that is what it is doing. Okay. Then what is the additional revenue collected by Z? By the additional sales. Okay. I'm going to reread the question again. A screen guard and antivirus pack has a combined cost of 1250. So this is cost into number of laptops are how much? 75% of 5,000. So 75% is 3/4. 5,000 is this. Okay. So now what I am going to get, I'm just going to multiply 3 with this. So I'm going to get 3750 into 5,000 divided by 4. Okay. So this is going to be how much? I can also write it as 3750 as 7,500 divided by 2 into 5,000 divided by 2 divided by 4. So this is going to be 375 1 2 1 2 3 divided by 8, and that's my answer. So 8 4s are 32, 5 5 8 6 are 48. So my answer should be 46 something. Is there any option that is 46 something? That is yes, option A. Is there any option that is starting with the 46 lakhs? No option. So I'm directly going to mark my answer as option A because every other value is less than 46 lakhs and my answer is greater than 46 lakhs. And to ease the calculation, I instead of taking 3750, I am writing it as 7500 divided by 2, and I am keeping this as it is. And later on, I am dividing it by 8. And that's how we can solve the question by uh, easing the calculation in these kind of questions. That's what we can do. Okay. Now, let's look at question number 2. The number of laptops sold by company Z at college C. Okay. Company Z, college C is 3000. Okay. Is what percent more or less than uh, uh, laptops sold at college B by the same company. So the number of laptops sold by, so I am replacing this whole value with 3000. So 3000 is what percent more or less than this I am replacing by 5000. So 3000 is what percent more or less than 5000. So the difference is 2000. Now look at the word at then. After then, what do we have? 5000. So 2000 divided by 5000. So whichever value comes after then goes to denominator. So this cancels out. So this is going to be 40%. Is it more or less? Less, because this value is greater and this value is smaller. So what should be our answer? Our answer is going to be option D, that is 40% less. And that's how we can solve the question. Now let's look at question number 3. Now, what is the ratio of number of laptops sold by company X and Z respectively? So how many laptops company X is selling? That is 15,000. How many laptops company Z is selling? That is 13,000. So what is the ratio? So that comes out to be 15 is to 13. So answer of this question is going to be option C. We can directly get the answer. Okay. Uh, what is the total number of students from college A and C did not purchase laptop from any of these companies? Okay. So college A had 18,000 students, and out of that 16,000 are buying laptops. So 2,000 are not buying. Same for college C, 2,000 are not buying. So what is the total number of people who are not buying the laptop? That is going to be 4,000. That's option B. And that's how we can solve the question. Our answer of this question is going to be option B. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. What does it say? Okay. So it says that average marked price of a laptop is 40,000. These company offer a discount of 16%. Okay. What is the total profit earned by company Y from college B and C if the cost price of the laptop is this? Okay. So what is the mark price? That is 40,000. Okay. What is the discount? That is 16% of 40,000. Right. So this cancels out. So this comes out to be how much? Uh, Sorry, it should be 10. So 40,000 minus 16,000. Sorry, 16 into 4 is 6,400. So basically, three 33,600 is going to be the selling price of the laptop. What is the cost? Cost is 30,000. So what is the profit that is being generated? That is 3,600 per laptop, right? Now, how many company Y is selling how many laptops in B and C? So company Y is selling 4 lakhs, 4,000 plus 6,000 means company Y is selling 10,000 laptops in B and C. So what is the total profit they are going to get? That is 3,600 into 10,000. 3,600 into 10,000 is going to be 3.6 something, and that's there only in one option. That is going to be option D. That is 3.6 crores, and this is going to be the answer of this question. Now, with this, we wind up the session. If anyone has any doubt, just drop a message in the comment box. We will discuss that question. So, thank you.